For this highly profitable scalping strategy, you need two technical indicators. The first indicator is this one. Go into the settings and change 55 to 59. Next, we'll improve the visibility of the Bollinger Bands and confirm. Your main technical indicator for this scalping strategy is now set up. Next, we'll use the RSI to confirm our setup. And for this RSI, in the settings, set it to 21 periods. Not 7, not 14, but exactly 21. Set it to 21 so the RSI is highly effective. This setting helps avoid false signals. This technical indicator will give you very precise buy prices and very precise sell prices. You'll see, it's very effective. Right now, I'm on the 5-minute time frame for Bitcoin. This strategy works on all charts. You can apply it to all your financial markets. We're going to let the market run to find our next trade using this technical indicator. And don't forget, we're also going to use the RSI. You can see here that the technical indicator is suggesting a buy. To confirm this buy, we need the market to be above the 50% line or the RSI, shown in yellow. You can see here that when the technical indicator suggests a buy, the RSI is well above 50%. So from the RSI's perspective, it's validated. You enter a buy position at the breakout of the upper Bollinger Band. At the close of the 5-minute candle here, you set your stop loss at the middle line, and we're aiming for a 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio. There you go, the trade is set up. The entry price, the stop loss, the target. Let's see what the market does. We can see that the trade went well. We just made some money. Now, we'll wait for the next trade. We let the market do its thing as long as the technical indicator doesn't give a buy or sell signal. You can see here that the technical indicator is given a sell signal. You get it. We enter a sell trade when the candle breaks through the Bollinger Band. So here, we set the stop loss above the middle line and place the target. You can see that the market hit your target. That's a second winning trade in a row. You just made a profit once on a buy here and once on a sell here. You can see that in the meantime, the technical indicator didn't give any other signals. So during this whole period, you do absolutely nothing. You wait for the technical indicator to give you a signal, like here for a sell. We are going to wait for our next trade. You just have to wait until the technical indicator gives you a buy or sell price. For now, we wait. We let the candles play out. And now, we've just gotten a buy signal from the technical indicator. We buy when the market breaks through the Bollinger Band. Entry price, we set the stop loss below the middle line and place the target. Let's see what the market does. You can see here, the market just hit the stop loss. That's a failure. This indicator can be wrong too, and that's okay. We're going to wait for the next trade. So far, we have 2 very profitable trades and 1 small losing trade. Let's let the Japanese candlesticks play out. You can see that the market is about to give a sell signal here. We sell when the market breaks through the Bollinger Band. As usual, we set the stop loss at the middle line of the technical indicator and aim for a 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio. You can see that the market hit the target. That's a huge bearish candlestick. So you have a 4th winning trade. Let's wait for the next trade. You stay patient. You let the market do its thing until the technical indicator gives you a signal. You can see it here, a buy signal from the technical indicator. You're starting to get it now. You buy on the breakout. So on this candlestick right here, you set the stop loss, same as always, at the middle line, and you aim for a 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio. You can see that the market actually hits your target very, very quickly. If you buy at the close of the 5-minute candle here that breaks through the opposite Bollinger Band, you'll see that after that it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then at the 20th and 25th minute, the market hits your target. That's a 5th trade. You have 4 trades that hit the target and only 1 trade that didn't work out. So you're well in profit. You made quite a bit of money just by blindly following this technical indicator.